Good morning, good morning. It's Cam. It's March 18th, Thursday morning, about 5:30. Let's talk some stocks. So overnight, the futures have fallen. So we put in new highs yesterday in the S&P 500, and on the Dow, SPY got all the way up to 398.6. As you can see up here, after hours or late last night, and then first thing, basically this morning, the 10-year Treasury Yield has been going up. Right, I think I saw it got up to 1.75. So bond rates are going up. That's going to weigh heavy on tech stocks. So we have considerable move back down. So right now the SPY is sitting at 394.4, which is essentially within the range of where we were at before the Fed spoke yesterday. In terms of stocks that are moving, the NFT stocks from yesterday, they're moving up higher right now. So TKAT took off this morning right about 4 o'clock. As soon as buyers were able to get in, 4 o'clock is pretty standard time for pre-market trading, and opened around 18, took off 29.3. So if we just make a fib from the move yesterday, all right, so we'll go 24.9, go down to 5.2, close enough. We'll see it basically pulled back after hours to the 61.8 fib here. And looks like we're moving up to the 127 right now pre-market. See if we can get up to $30 before the open. So TKAT's been moving up. I still think it's the leader. It's still the top percent gainer. Even this morning right now, as it's up currently, 25%. I guess Sino just jumped up. It was on the red side. It was red below, so they probably put out some PR. Talked about them yesterday, just as their reverse split machine. We can bring it up and look at it. But OCG was the other stock that ran with TKAT yesterday. All right, so a very similar chart. Pulled back here down to $10 on the 5-minute, about 5 o'clock. Then it's ripped higher, 11.79. Not getting as much of an extension here right now from it, but we can do 2 fibs here. See 11.62, so we're right about that 61.8 fib right now. Let me change the color on this one, and let's pull the move from yesterday. If we go back to the 5-minute, we'll see where they line up. So almost spot on like TKAT, right? Pulled back to 61.8 fib, which is a good retracement level that people look at for Fibonacci's, and pushing higher. And you can see right now we're kind of sitting between 11.62, pulled back to the high from yesterday, 11.28, found some support. So look to see if we can get through the 61.8 fib, and then we'll see where the 127 is. 127 is all the way up about $13, 12.91. So we'll see if we can get some upward momentum there. I'm going to look at the news on Sino real quick. Yep, they put up PR right at 5:30. And of course, join the hype train, right? Sino-Global to launch highly secure NFT exchange with Cyber Miles. So, shipping company now doing NFT stuff. And just to look at their chart, you'll see this morning they pulled back pretty considerably from the close, 8.57. They're down in the 8, and now we're taking off like a rocket. So this is another very low float company. And if you go out like their yearly charts, right? So we have a split here. If we go out 10 years, right? So 71 split, and all the volume's coming in here now. But if it's legit this time that they are doing these NFT, could be a play. I wouldn't say a long term, but short term. Obviously, it's going to move quickly, very volatile, and you can get in and out making trades. So it did have volume come in yesterday at the end of the day, obviously like the others, a little bit later. So we'll see what happens today. But you see this news caused a massive move, comparative to the fib level just from yesterday. Also comparing that to TKAT and OCG on their moves. So if we get back here, I think there was a previous 12 high right here. Yeah, so 12.28 we got up to on the week of February 22nd. So if we just make a move off this one from after the split, and we'll change this one to green. Alright, so we're up at 11. $11 right now. So where did I go here? Oh, here. Go back to the 5-minute. You'll see we're sitting in up above basically everything in a gap. So we'll see if we can go test this 1228 level. That's the next level above if it gets momentum. And then let's look at AMC and just talk about GameStop. So GameStop was up, sitting around 217 area this morning. AMC, they moved up after hours right away, and then we're basically consolidating up here around the $14 level, right about this 50% fib. So look to see if that level can hold, pushes back up in this $14.50 area, and continue to move higher, right? So here, I mentioned in the post-market video yesterday, I'll link it here, but we basically had another inside bar, so this top level right here, 13.6, if it breaks through that, go long. Literally did that while I was making that video yesterday, as it took off right after the bell. And so we'll look to go take out the high of this candle here, 14.49, right in the middle of this 14.50 area. And as you can see, the significant drop over that $14.50 area. So if buyers come in, if we get the uptick in volume, which could happen again today with the main indices looking to be down, interest might roll back into the retail stocks. We can break that 14.50, see if we can quickly move up into $16 area on AMC to close out the week. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Those are going to be my main watches: the NFT stocks, AMC until something else comes. Bitcoin fell with the futures, so the SOS, EMON, they're also down from where they were at on their post-market run, but they could come back to pretty quickly. So these three areas will be my main watch: NFTs, AMC, retail, and crypto stocks if they come back. So hope you guys got something out of this video. Hope you have a great morning, and I'll see you in the next one.